Hello, busy job board and motor fans. It's T-Mike again, making another video today. Today's video is on Restore number 107. It's a 1958 10 horsepower QD18. It's for Chris, and she's a beauty. Full restore, completely taken apart, everything rebuilt on it. I mean, just immaculate. Starter robe, decals, fuel pump conversion done with a tap and die set on the exhaust cover here. Everything redone. This is a warm start. I've been running it, got the car dialed in, and she pumps water great. Let's see if I can get her started. I mean, she runs great. She almost doesn't want to die when I turned it down. She runs super. Another great restore for Chris. I'll finish the hood and then do a final value test, and it'll be ready for you, Chris. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all next time.